Hi guys, I'm Nastya. In this video I'll show you how to make such an elegant wedding bouquet from satin ribbons. Let's start. First of all, we need to do a white rose from piece of satin ribbon 2.5 by 40 cm in size. Fold into this piece and roll the rose. At times glue layers. Using the same method, make a big rose from piece of ribbon 2.5 cm by 3 m in size. I made 31 such roses. The base in this bouquet is a foam ball 15 cm in diameter. Cut off the edge approximately on 1 cm. Now glue all white roses, begin from the foundation. After that, glue all pink roses. Fill with them all the surface of the ball apart from the foundation. Also, I made a few smaller roses to make it easier to cover the ball's surface. That's That's the way I glue over the base with ribbon roses. Now fix the bouquet holder. Outline the bouquet holder using a utility knife cut out a deepening. The bouquet holder must tightly come into this deepening. Apply glue on the base of the bouquet holder and place it in the deepening. Cut the necessary length of bouquet holder. A vent from sushi passes through the holder, so the holder will be firm and you cannot worry about its safety. Glue over the bouquet holder with satin ribbon 2.5 cm in wide. It took me 2 meters of the ribbon. For decoration of the bouquet foundation, make petals from ribbon 2.5 by 10 cm in size. We'll need 26 such petals. Glue them in 2 layers. Decorate our bouquet with brooches. We get such an elegant and gorgeous bouquet. If you or your friends are preparing for the wedding, I advise you to make such bouquet. You can use it as main bouquet and as bouquet doubler. Thank you for watching the video, I wish you many successes. Don't forget to comment this video, also to put your marks. Subscribe the channel for new tutorials. See you soon!